When I stumbled upon the vintage typewriter at a dusty flea market, I thought it would be a charming addition to my collection, not a harbinger of terror. The first night, it sat quietly, an antique relic in the corner of my room. But as the clock struck midnight, keys began to clatter on their own, echoing ominously through the silence. Each morning, a fresh piece of parchment lay in its tray, inked with cryptic messages predicting disasters that eerily came true. I brushed it off as coincidence until one message described my own demise in chilling detail. Panic set in as I tried to rid myself of the cursed machine, but it always returned, more insistent than before. Desperate, I pounded on the keys, demanding answers. The typewriter paused, and then, with a finality that froze my blood, it typed, "You can't change fate, only delay it." The last message? A date, tomorrow's. As the